Welcome. Today in front of me Realme GT Neo 2, and I'll show you how to connect Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go to the notification bar, and here you'll see the Wi-Fi icon. Just tap once on the icon, and now as can you see the icon is blue. That means that your Wi-Fi is turned on, and just to select the network that you can just connect, just hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon and you'll just launch the Wi-Fi settings. And now just to turn on the Wi-Fi, just tap again to the turn off the Wi-Fi, tap again on the icon, and that's it. And the second way is just go to the settings, and here you got the Wi-Fi section. Tap this to this section. Here just click to the Wi-Fi switcher, and as can you see we got here all the available networks. Just select one from this network. For example, I'll go in with this one, and here enter your password to this network. Here when you will just click to this icon, you will see the password, and oh sorry, I just deleted that. And now just tap here to OK, and as can you see our device successfully connected to this network. And if you wanna just select another network, just tap here to this network, and here tap to the remove this network, confirm again, and you can select by the same way the second or the another network and connect to this network. And if you want to just turn it off, tap here again on the switcher, and that's it. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.